Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you Z, which is a very popular AI coding agent. They are offering their pro plan for totally free using a student offer which they have launched. If you directly type ZED student offer, the very first website which comes, this is their official website. So if you do want to get their pro plan, they have launched this program specifically for students. So they have launched this education plan. You need to simply prove that you are a school or university student, college going student, and you can get this pro plan for totally free for 1 year. So they have launched this program, and if you see their pro plan, it comes with $10 every month. They will give you unlimited predictions, $5 of tokens included. So it's a next generation AI coding editor similar to Gemini, Cursor, Claude. So right here, you can read more about it. You will get Z Pro features for 12 months. Everything is actually eligibility. You need to prove that you are at least 18 years old. You are actually a student at university. So all these things. So right here, you click on apply right now. So once you apply, you will be redirected. So first of all, create an account on this website, and after that, they will be redirecting you to that page where you can actually apply. So right here you specify email address, your student verification. So you need to submit the same email address that you're using at college, student, school or university, then mention your city and country. So submit city and right here. So domain is not yet part of the open source database. We rely on verification. So this needs to be not your personal email. This needs to be the student email. So once you submit this, click on next. So once you submit this, so this needs to be your student email address. So you can read more about it. So simply submit, verify, submit all your details, and you will be able to get Z Pro plan for total 1 year for totally free. And you can read more about it directly on this page. And definitely enroll in this and try this.